Hi fashion lovers, you're welcome to another tutorial. In today's edition we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful collar with a pointed tip. Yes, so if this is what you're interested in, kindly watch this video to the end. Alright guys, to start with, you have to make sure that you have joined the two shoulders of the main fabric. That's the outfit you're putting the collar on. I measured mine and it was giving me 20 inches. That's divided by 2, I'll be getting 10. So I'll be adding a half-inch seam allowance. So that is the 10.5 that I'm marking on this line now. Then I'll go ahead and mark this there. I'll mark 4 inches for the back neckline. So 4 inches and then 10.5. It's supposed to be 10, but I added half-inch for joining allowance. So I'll go ahead and mark that 10.5 all the way up, and I'll connect the lines. Do you get? So on this part of it now, I went up by half of an inch where you see me mark. So I'll go ahead and connect it towards that 4 inches mark also to give it a curve just for the neckline. This part now is the part that will be joining the neckline from the back. Do you get? So to first of all draft the collar stand. So from there now, I want the height of this collar to be 1.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark 1.5 inches from this line. Do you get? Just watch closely, you see the line I'm marking. So from that curve now is where I'll continue that 1.5 inches, and after marking it, I will straighten it up to a straight line. A part of it is going to be curved, so I'll use my curve ruler to mark that also, join it towards the other line. Do you get? This one now is for the first collar stand. This is for the collar stand. Alright, so from that part I'll go ahead and mark 2.5 inches. This is for the main collar. Then I'll connect it like so, just like what you can see me do. I'll connect it. Even the part that is curved, I will still go ahead to connect it. Do you get? 2.5 inches. You can also make it 3, but it's okay. So for the pointed edge, for the pointed mouth, from where I have 10.5 inches, I went out by 1.5. Then I'm also making the lines to pass across that part. Then from this part now, I'll go in by 1 inches. I'll go in by 1 inch so I can have a shape for the collar stand. That's give it a curve like this for the collar stand. Do you get? So that's what I'm doing now. So I will go out by 1.5 inches for that pointy edge on the main collar. Then I'll connect it to that 1 inch that is coming out, that I came in for the collar stand. So just watch this drawing very well, you can understand. If you don't understand anything, just do well to replay the video or ask anything in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. So I went up by half of an inch on that part. Then I'll go ahead and connect it to the 2.5 inches for the main collar. Do you get? So this is me cutting out the whole stuff, and after cutting, this is what I have. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get my fabric and then I'll cut. I'm labeling it the downside and the upside. This is a cut together collar. Yes, this is also a cut together collar. So this is the center back. Here is the center back, and the other side is for the front. So I'll go ahead and get my crepe. I'm using a crepe fabric for this one now. I'll get my fabric and then I will place it on it like so, and I'll cut it out. Do you understand? Alright fashion lovers, don't forget, this has been our routine. If you find value in this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, so that the algorithm will know that yes, something is going on here. And then you can also comment, share it with your friends too, share it with someone that you know that needs this. Alright, so after cutting now, I'll go ahead and cut. I've cut the first one, like I've cut 2. This is going to be 2, and I'll mark where it's going to be the front and where it's going to be the back. Do you get? So I'll go ahead and cut another 2 also. The reason why it is split out differently is because the dress I'm going to be fixing it on is having a zipper. Yes, so this collar is not a closed back. There's a zipper at the back, so I want to give space for that zipper also. That's why it is not unfold. it is 1 that's it is now 4 pieces instead of 2 pieces. So I'll go ahead and use this other one that I cut and cut out another one, and I'll iron my paper stay on it. Yes, I'll iron my paper stay on it to give it structure. So at this point I've gone ahead to iron a paper stay on it. Then I'll go ahead and join the parts. Just watch the parts I'm marking. That's the part I'm going to join. I'll join them up with half an inch seam allowance, and I'll bring it to show us. So here it is. I've gone ahead to join them, and I use my iron to fold in half of an inch on any of the sides to get. So I'll open up the zipper on the dress, and I'll go ahead and attach it from the back. I'll put it inside and sew the other part, then I'll flip it over to cover up to top stitch it on the front. This is a jumpsuit without a waist joining. Yes, a jumpsuit without any half length. So do well to check my videos and watch it. I will also put the link of this jumpsuit tutorial on the description box, so do well to watch it. So here is the final look of the collar. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.